On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union launched Earth's first satellite, named as Sputnik 1. Since then, many spacecraft have been launched. The purpose of this spacecraft is to collect information about Earth or any other celestial body in space and conduct research on it. Most spacecraft were used for Earth observation, but there were some spacecraft that traveled far away to other planets to collect information and conduct research. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 farthest spacecraft from Earth in space. Starting from the 5th position, on January 19, 2006, NASA launched the New Horizons spacecraft. This spacecraft was launched to conduct a flyby of one of the farthest dwarf planets in the Kuiper belt, Pluto, and study its structure while collecting information about it. By traveling at the speed of 58,550 km per hour, this satellite took around 9 years to reach Pluto. In 2015, it reached Pluto and conducted a flyby. After that, it moved forward to study more about the solar system. Currently, New Horizon is situated at a distance of around 8.8 billion kilometers away from Earth. New Horizon will continue to send its information to Earth until 2030. Number 4. On April 6, 1973, NASA launched the Pioneer 11 spacecraft. Its mission was to study the gas giant of our solar system, Saturn and Jupiter, along with their moons. Pioneer 11 was the first spacecraft to fly by Saturn and Jupiter. On December 3, 1974, it passed by Jupiter at a distance of around 43,000 km from Jupiter cloud tops. Then on September 1, 1979, the spacecraft passed by Saturn at a distance of around 21,000 km away from Saturn cloud top. Currently, it is situated at a distance of around 16.8 billion km away from Earth. Pioneer 11 sent its final signal to Earth on September 30, 1995. Number 3. On March 2, 1972, NASA launched the Pioneer 10 spacecraft, which was designed to study Jupiter's atmosphere, its magnetic field, radiation belt, and more. Pioneer 10 made its closest approach to Jupiter on December 3, 1973. It was the first satellite to pass through the asteroid belt and leave the inner solar system. Currently, it is situated at a distance of around 20.2 billion kilometers away from Earth. Pioneer 10 sent its final signal to Earth in January 2003. Number 2. On August 20, 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 2 spacecraft. Its mission was to study all 4 gas giants of our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It is one of the most successful missions of NASA. Voyager 2 studied the structure and characteristics of planets and discovered several new moons. The signal sent from the Voyager 2 spacecraft takes around 18 hours to travel and reach Earth. On July 9, 1979, it passed by Jupiter at a distance of around 5,70,000 km away. On August 26, 1981, it passed by Saturn at a distance of around 1,01,000 km away. On January 24, 1986, it passed by Uranus at a distance of around 81,500 km away. Finally, on August 25, 1989, it passed by Neptune at a distance of around 4,900 km away. Currently, it is situated at a distance of around 20.3 billion km away from Earth. And number 1, on September 5, 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1 to study the outer solar system. Voyager 1 has made various discoveries such as detecting liquid water, hydrocarbon landscapes, and volcanic activity on the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Titan, Io, and Enceladus. It also discovered the heliopause, which makes the boundary where the influence of our Sun ends and interstellar space begins. Additionally, it detected the faint plasma in the interstellar space. On March 5, 1979, Voyager 1 flew by Jupiter at a distance of around 3,49,000 km away. Then on November 12, 1980, it flew by Saturn at a distance of around 1,24,000 km away. Finally, on August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 finally entered interstellar space, making it the first man-made object to do so. Currently, it is situated at a distance of around 24.4 billion kilometers away from Earth. It will continue to send signal to Earth until 2025 or 2030. So these were the top 5 farthest spacecraft from Earth. If you want to know why satellite use gold foil, you can watch the video on my channel. I hope you have liked it. Thank you.